today I'm going to be doing a slime video, Five Below versus Target slime. So let's get started. So first we got this Gooba Toys slime pack, and it's a breakfast bonanza. I got my hand in, scissors are very sharp as you guys can see, but I'll be careful. I might need help from my mom in the back. She's recording me. Oops. I'll just put that down. And first we've got the blueberry slime, and it's like this cute blue color. So let me see. That was pretty easy. And I'll get all the slime of the wrapping. There we go. Okay, I'll do the rest later. So here's the blueberry. Ooh, it feels different. It's just a different texture. I thought it would be the same as Korean Garcia slime. Oh my god, that smells so good. It smells just like blueberries. That's the best smelling thing ever. Oh my god. Okay, it smells like, I don't remember, maybe it was a popsicle, I don't know. But it's not the stretchiest, but it's pretty nice. The squeeziness, nice. The scent, phenomenal. And the stretch, yeah. And I'm gonna try the pops. I'm not very good at the slime thing because, you know, I just started to get into slime like probably 2 months ago. Well, my first slime was probably like 2 years ago or something. Slime got popular in like 2018, like the mid 2018. So here it is. And then we got the maple syrup slime. I really want to know what this smells like. I mean, I know what maple syrup smells like, but I really want to know what it smells like. The blueberry one smelled so good. Actually, I better not. So I'm super excited to know how this one smells. No, doesn't smell the best. It kind of smells like, it actually smells identical to this one that I got from Easter. Like so similar. And it's like a clear slime, and it's a different texture than that one, surprisingly. This one's stretchier, maybe because that one's just a different texture, I think. I guess this one isn't that stretchy. Stretchy. But it's definitely stretchier. Is that even a word? I don't know. Something. This keeps shaking. So these, trying to swing it to. Okay, I'll just put up. Oh, I didn't even do anything to it, and it made pretty good pops. So here's the maple syrup slime. And now we have this candy set and slop shop slime. So here it is. It says it's fluffy. So it has shaving cream in it. I might need help from my mom for this one. I think I will. Yeah, I need help.
Try to.
What?
Try to pop it with where that hole is. Right, yeah.
Right here?
Mm-hmm. With the knife. The other way, maybe.
Did it?
Oh, okay. The other way.
Like that?
Yeah.
Thank you. So here's the last glimpse of the packaging. And then I'll show you that. So here it is. It kind of looks like it's like crumbly, so let's just get it out. Some serious packaging, you should say.
I want to cut it a little. Want to cut it with that hole.
There's another plastic thing.
That one you peel off on the side, I think.
Told you guys there was some serious packaging, like 3 layers.
Now that, I think on the side. Right or no?
Oh yeah. Then got it. This has, okay, yeah, it's the last one I was being worried. So, oh my god, that feels so good. Oh my god, it smells like perfumey, like kind of cotton candy. It's super stretchy. And the squeeziness is good. Oh yeah, and those other 2 signs that I just did, I would recommend this. Those ones. And then I recommend this sign too. Because it's super stretchy and super good. I don't blame it for the pokes or the pops because it's a like butter sign. So I don't blame it because it can't, because it kind of rips. I mean, it might be able to do it because I've seen reviews. I've never seen a review on this sign. There probably is somewhere. But I know people can do pops on these kind of signs, but I'm just not the professional kind of signer. So I would definitely recommend this sign. And I got this one from Target and those last 2. I only have like 3 from Five Below though, so I don't have a lot. So I have 10 from Target. Ooh, that's a lot. Okay, guess I'll do, I don't need this plastic. So here it is again. And then here it is, and it's from the, and this is fine. And it's from the construction factory. Next sign. And we got this sign. This is a Signy Cafe sign. Oh my god, this toaster strip isn't as bad. I've had bad luck with it. Never mind. It's not good. Definitely not. So it's kind of like the theory with, guess, whipped cream. This is hard. I think it just needs to be cut more. This is not kid-friendly packaging. Okay, this is hard. I think I might need help from my mom. Got it. Okay, now I think I'm just, come on. Is it scented? It says Fluffy Whips. What brand is this? Soft and so squishy. So this is Orb Slimy sign. There's a little bit of it. It's gonna be hard to get out. Well, I guess I have to do squeezing it. It's like cake.
That's good.
No, it isn't. Very hard, guys.
Yeah, that's good, right?
Okay, yeah, that's good. Okay, guys, ready? Let's watch it squeeze out. And let me just kind of... Look at it, guys. Kind of... There's a big bubble. Okay, maybe I need to... Oh, there it goes. It's not as you thought it would get out. I'm like shaking. I guess I'm just gonna have to do it the non-fancy way. As this is hard. It hurts my hands. Oh my god, where are we gonna store this? I guess just in a Ziploc. I mean, it's technically in this. Just how much they give me? Then it's not scented, guys. Not scented. My hands are turning red. I need help. There's still so much in there.
Maybe you have to knead the bag a little. Like toothpaste.
Well, toothpaste isn't this hard to get out, is it?
Mm-mm.
And it's like right there and it's just not getting out.
Do you want to just play with what you have?
No. Could you help?
Just play with what you have.
No. No. It's like literally right there, but it's not coming out. Okay, guys, I'll record. I'm not the best recorder, though, but
Oh my.
told ya. She's done cakes before, because you were a wedding planner, right?
Photographer. I ate cakes, but I never made them.
Oh.
I took pictures of them.
Can I see the pictures?
Somewhere, yeah. The brides have them. Boy, this is hard.
Okay, I think that might be the last bit that
There's more in there, but it's really hard to get out.
So here's the sign. I all of it out, but this is just the slime. It's super great, and I love it so much. It's the same texture to this. It's pretty much the same texture as we had for the last slime, but it's super squishy.
Maybe you needed to knead the bag more.
Maybe.
Like-
Then again, I don't blame the pokes because it's a butter slime. And for recommendation for this slime, I don't really recommend it because it's very hard to get out. If you guys are willing to do this hard thing to get out, you guys can have it. It's good slime if you guys really want it. But I really don't recommend it. It's super hard to get out. My hands hurt right now. But it's great slime. And the cost up to the Gooba toys, I think, was $5, and then this slime was, I think, $2.50, and then the other slime that we just had, the pink one, was $5. I mean, it's pretty nice. Oh my god, where am I going to store it? This is not poop, guys, it's slime.
Yeah, that's fine. Well, just for now, put it in there.
We'll change it when the video's over. Guess we'll close this back up and we'll get the rest out later. So the next slime, the rest of these slimes are not new. They're not new. I opened the rest of these slimes. I'm so sorry, guys. I couldn't wait. Some of these slimes I got like 2-3 weeks ago, and then the other ones I got yesterday. So this slime I got yesterday, it's Zuru Toys. It's like this Cupcake Cuties. I don't really remember what it's called because I don't have the wrapper because, like I said, I already opened it. So it was pretty good, and it's like cloud slime, so like...
Maybe knead it a little.
There we go. Look at that. I don't really know how to do the drizzle. Because remember I said, guys, I'm not an expert. But it's so fluffy when you touch it. And this slime, by the way, is from Target and it was $5. It's not a good amount for $5, I would say. But it's nice slime. And it's super good. I mean, I really like the slime. It's one of my favorite out of all these, and it's like kind of like clay. It's not. It kind of hurts when you squeeze it, probably just because my hands hurt from doing that. And it's kind of hard to squeeze, but it's pretty stretchy. When you guys feel like when it stretches, when you guys feel it, so good. And then I'm gonna put it back and. I would recommend it, but it's kind of expensive for its amount. But if you guys want to pay this much for it, you guys can get it. And it's super cute, and the scent smells like strawberries. So I recommend the slime. And now we have this slime. And this slime does not have a name, it's just white for the jar slime with glitter. And it was $1 at the dollar section at Target. Oh yeah, and the other slime that we just played with, that was from Target. Wait, was it? Yeah. And here it is. It's putty, I guess. No, it says slime, as you guys can see. It's a putty texture. It is pretty stretchy. Right when I said it, it broke. Great. So, just squeezing this, good stretchiness. Oh my god. And the poke. This isn't too bad of a sign like a putty because it doesn't crumble in your hand at least, because I hate when it comes to my hand. It's just, I need to love it. Those are kids outside. Don't ruin my video. They're not in here though, guys, don't worry. I'm the only child. Okay, that's it. And if you guys would want a slime, I wouldn't recommend it. But if you guys want a putty, this is a pretty good slime for putty. So I would recommend it, but I wouldn't. So it's kind of in the middle of the two. So here it is. And next we have this. Oh yeah, and that sign was from Target. And we got this unicorn sign. It's unicorn sign. It says putty, so why did I say slime if it's putty then? I don't know. It's like it's kind of like a Ziploc. Okay, I got it. So here it is. It's scented. It's in this like bag. It smells like sprinkles. And then the color is very pretty. The squeeziness is good. It kind of gets stiffer as you play with it, but I mean it's pretty stretchy. Doesn't really make noise when you do it, when you poke it. Then I'm gonna try to make a bubble pops. At least try to do some, because this is a putty, so it's not gonna be the best bubble pops. It's not that bad. So for recommendations, I would recommend this. If you guys want a super stretchy slime, I probably wouldn't recommend this. So it's kind of in the middle like the other one. But I do like it. Oh yeah, and this slime was $250. And that's a pretty good amount. 5 ounces slime, so. Gonna be out of clothes, so I'll just close with the rest later when we're done with the video. And now we have the Glitter Palooza slime, so let's get into it. And this slime was $8. And how many ounces? 14 ounces, so that's a lot. It's like wet. It leaves a lot of glitter residue on your hand, as you guys can see very close. And it's a nice color, and it's super stretchy. Like, it's pretty stretchy. It's not the stretchiest. It kind of gets stiffer as you play with it, as you guys can see. I do really like this slime though, guys. hate when it lifts up like that, like all the time. I don't even know if you guys can hear the sun because I don't have a microphone. Well, I do have a microphone, but like, you know. Oh, I guess I could get my microphone. If you guys really want to hear it. I guess I will. If I can find it. Okay, I see it. BRB. Sorry for that. Got it. It's not one of those that like stands. It's just kind of the one. I think it might need to be charged.
The Bluetooth device is ready to pair.
Okay. Hello? Hello? Yeah, it needs to be charged. You guys wait. Let me try again. Hello? Hello? Oh, yeah. Hello? Yeah, I think. Hello? Yeah, it needs to be charged, guys.
Power off.
Sorry. I have another one, but I don't know where that one is. Oh, actually, my mom's grabbing it for me. It's a JoJo one. Yeah.
Hey there, it's JoJo.
I better not press the music because then I'll get copyrighted. So I'm just gonna press the microphone. It's not connected to the phone though.
Yeah.
Oh wait. Oh wait, no.
Okay,
Because it's a new iPhone. You can't.
Mm-mm.
Hello? Hello? Hi. Oh no.
Uh-oh.
I don't think it got me though. I'm not gonna do it then. Because I don't want it to copyright it, so yeah. Put it back. I really hope this video doesn't get copyrighted for the 1 second that I played it. I didn't even press the music button, so. My friend Ava's YouTube channel, I'll maybe put a link in the description for her channel. But she got copyrighted for one of her videos. I don't know what the song was. I think it might have been the JoJo song. Whoa, look guys. Okay, before it rips. Okay, I think that's enough of this slime. But I do recommend it. If you want a super stretchy slime, maybe I wouldn't recommend it, but I do like it. And it's a lot of slime. And it was $8. And this one was from... Okay. Wait, let me do that again. From... Five Below. No, not Five Below. Okay, let me do that one more time. From... Target. That's from Target. And as you guys can see, little residue. But I do like the slime. Smells like kind of like prune juice, if you guys know what that is. It's prune juice. It has to go doo-doo. And this is not getting to that. Going off topic. And this is by Amazing Slime, because I don't know if that's really the brand, but it just says Amazing Slime, so how it's supposed to be. And it's in a tin. Here it is. It might be by Compound Kings, because it's kind of like the same. See? It might be actually. See? Same. No, it actually isn't. Okay, the next time. Now I'm going to do one from Five Below. So here it is. It's Orb Slimey's Elasti-Plasti slime. It's like semi-jiggly. Pretty stretchy. The texture is like a texture I've never really felt before. I don't think it's supposed to be scented, but it kind of smells scented. And feels, it sounds, my bad. It sounds weird. And it stretches good. And it makes a weird sound when you stretch it, guys. Here, when I'm done. Ready? Hear the weird sound. It sounds like mac and cheese stirring. It's not that good. And farts. So I would recommend this slime. And it's not too jiggly either, so I would recommend it. And it was, I don't remember how much it was. I think it was $3 or $4, $3 or $4. I don't know. If it was $5, that would be a lot. And now we got more orb slime, and this one's the banana slime. And this one is scented. Smells like bananas. Doesn't really smell like bananas. It's like a sweeter banana smell, and it's very squishy. It's the same exact texture as the last one. You can hear that weird sound again. It's like this. It's not really the color of the piano, the banana, but it's pretty nice, and it's just nice. I'm not gonna spend too much time on this one though, because it's the same exact sign, so I'll just put it back. And it farts again. Next, we got this one. Now, this is a Nickelodeon slime, and it's a watermelon, and it's scented. It smells like watermelon, and it smells good. This is my favorite slime. Sorry, guys. This slime. Falling everywhere. The glitters. So here it is. It's my favorite slime. Gotta stop falling out. Super squishy, super stretchy. Oh my god, there's even one stuck to me. And then the pops, well, the pokes. Super good. Then we got the pokes. Well, I didn't do it that time. And down. And I would recommend this slime. This was, I think, $3. It's a very good amount for $3. And 7 ounces of slime, so it's pretty good amount for $3 only. So I would recommend this slime. There it is. Then we got the buttery fluff slime. It's by Orb Slimy. Again, we got a lot of Orb Slimy slimes. So let's keep going. And it smells like mint, and it's super, super, super stretchy, and very good slime, quality slime. It's the same texture as those other ones, the other first two, well, not first two, and stretchy, and it's just super good. And let's do the bubble pops. And I would definitely recommend, what slime is it even from? And I would recommend this slime. This slime, I think, was $5. And I would recommend it. Super nice. And let me check how many ounces. 3 ounces. 3.5 ounces. So here it is. And I hope you guys have a good time. We got 3 more signs left. We got this cupcake sign with cutie cup sign. This one's kind of hard for me to open, but I hope. Okay. And it smells so good. It smells like a cupcake and super stretchy. And it's the same texture as that other one. We have a lot of these textures, definitely. Super stretchy and super squishy, and I don't blame the poke, so because it's a fluffy sign, and the puffs aren't the best, but I think it's a really great sign, and I would recommend it. It was $2.50, so very good amount. Very good, very, very good amount. And it's a super good time, and I would definitely recommend it. 2 more signs left.
Where was that from?
$5. And yeah. And then this sign is Corinne Garcia's orange Sime soda sign. And it's frosted and it's orange soda. Smells just like orange soda. I don't really like this scent personally, but it smells like orange soda. And it's very stretchy. And then pops. Pretty good, and that's, I guess, it for this sign. I didn't do the poke. Wait, I did actually. And yeah, I would recommend this sign. This sign was $5 with another sign. And the ounces, I don't know if we're telling the ounces. Let me check. No. Oh, I almost put the lid on without even putting the sign in. The last, but hopefully not least sign is grape soda sign. And it's the same sign. And it's from Five Below. Well, it's going to be the same texture, but I'll show you it anyways. And here it is, super squishy, super stretchy, and both these signs are clear. And here's finished look. Wait, it's upside down. And I hope you guys enjoy this. I have the hiccups, guys. Sorry. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to be nice to each other. Bye. And don't forget to check out my last video. Bye.